Hi guys, here we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Bit of an early start. Late start, sorry. There we go. Now, let me check RTT, see what this is. Oh, so with that, this is so this was supposed to be the 1107, 1 Sierra 11, East Coast service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen, but it's expect passes 1104, and it's 1103 now. So I expect next time I should read the expected pass time. So we're going to be coming from this way. Just remembered. On that side of the crossing, they changed the level crossing information side, but obviously this one's pretty bent, and they haven't changed this one yet. This year's we've got 43 coming. Later on, I'll hopefully get Andrew on Skype so we can get a bit of footage of this, because this is amazing. We've got 43, 290. 43, 314, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video.